Oh. What?
Okay, I don't hear any others, so I don't think it failed. I think they hit the wrong button.
I don't hear anything else either.
Yeah, you'd hear other ones start up if it failed. Or if I should call them and say you hit the wrong button.
Yeah, maybe you should. Hey, we're waiting here. You guys are taking forever. You hit the wrong button.
Hello, you have reached the Douglas County Emergency Management Agency. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. To report a siren issue, please press 1.
Yeah, I don't hear anything at all.
Emergency Management, Jason?
Hi, I'm down at one of your sirens off 19th and Lake, and I don't hear any other sirens, so I don't know if you guys activated them or not, but we're not hearing anything down here, so.
The one that you're by is not sounding?
Yeah, 19th and Lake, yeah. And like I said, I can't hear any in the distance, so I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Well, what'd you think?
It was good. Yeah, it was good. I'm happy I got to experience it.
Wonder what that guy thought on the phone. He probably had his phone right up to the ear and they just got blasted.
He's like, "Fuck."
Yeah. Shit,
Well, he
that's
knew it was
funny.
coming.
Yeah.
If he knows the fax sound, he knows it was coming.
Yeah. There you go. First hood siren test.